minutes.
Is it?
At 3 o'clock, they're starting up that early. That's what they were announcing.
Well, then it's going to find sheer chance. And you said all of that will have to do with it. Well done. There we go. This is the registration number, it's Max. Well, TV. Oh yes, TV, yeah. Fantastic. Frosted period then, on the start line. 1:45 made as the driver there tells us. And I'll have a quick chat with this driver here because the XK120 that we just saw come up the hill, and it really is the evolution of Jaguar at a point in time when they dominated motorsport. Of course, 1951, winning at Le Mans with Peter Whitehead, and we're just waiting for another car to come down the hill, are we? Okay. I've lost where I am now. Yes, 1951, Peter Walker and Peter Whitehead won at Le Mans for the first time with the C-Type, but outside of those races, they were also going award designing aircraft. Malcolm Sayer was the man who brought the intelligence of aerodynamics into the design work of Jaguar. You see it already on the C-Type, which was really the XK120 in a racing dress. This was the next iteration, of course, from 55 onwards. And they really went to town with taking the drag off where the driver sat. as Roger lights it up in the Jaguar D-Type here at Kop Hill. This is a very special car, this beautiful Mercury, and it has an amazing history because it has had two incredible moments in its life. The hill for you here at Kop Hill Climb, as the last of the chassis-based MG sports cars. Well, lights up that V8 engine, and that's the TCR fuel injection system. Car with Paddy Hopkirk there, of course, who raced the MGBs at Le Mans for a few years to great success. Yes. Which lifted the car up and fitted it with rubber bumpers. That's the example that you see going up the hill there now. But don't forget, MG were responsible not only for the sports car, but before the Second World War broke out, for very high-end luxury saloons like this MG VA heading up the hill at the moment.